Tim Cook starts early with a precise 6 a.m. workout, followed by a quiet review of global markets to set the day's priorities. He emphasizes disciplined decision-making, turning small daily routines into scalable processes that protect Apple's long-term capital and culture. Cook's capital moves include prudent cash management, disciplined stock repurchases, and selective acquisitions that strengthen core platforms. Strategic maneuvers trace from deep supplier relations to privacy and sustainability bets that build customer trust and durable profits. The takeaway is clear, bold consistency. Blend daily habits with high-stakes finance to transform ambition into enduring wealth.